Now we will see 8th example. Given a 2 by 2 tile and 7 dominoes of 2 by 1. Find the number of ways of tiling a 2 by 7 rectangle using some of these tiles. Okay. Under the condition that we have to cover this 2 by 7 rectangle without leaving gaps and without overlapping any of two tiles. Okay. Understood? So we have two types of tiles. One is 2 by 2. This is 2 by 2. Single tile we have. Okay. And we have 7 dominoes of 2 by 1. Okay. So we have 7 dominoes and one single tile of 2 by 2. Okay. And we have to cover a rectangle of 2 by 7 in this way. So we have to cover this 2 by 7 rectangle. So we will find all the ways using these 7 dominoes first. Suppose first we put one domino. Then how many times we can put this domino? One time. Okay. Now we will put 2 dominoes. Now 2 dominoes we can put in two ways. Once vertically and once horizontally. It means suppose one domino we can put in one way. 2 dominoes we can put in two ways. If we put 3 dominoes, then we will get 3 ways. Suppose 3 dominoes we have to put. Only 3 we will think. One way is like this. Okay. One way we can change the position. Means these 2 dominoes we can put horizontally and this is same. Then next third way will be we can put this domino on this side. And 2 dominoes again we can change horizontally. In this way 3 dominoes we can put in 3 ways. If we try, then 4 dominoes we can put in 5 ways. Now do you observe these numbers? These are nothing but Fibonacci numbers. Okay. So in this way 5 dominoes we can put in 8 ways. 6 dominoes we can put in 13 ways. 7 dominoes which we have to put, and we can put 7 dominoes in 21 ways. Okay. So 21 ways are there if we cover this 2 by 7 rectangle only using this 2 by 1 domino. Okay. Now we will introduce this one. Okay. So let us check number of ways if we introduce this. If we put this 2 by 2 tile at first, and then remaining how many dominoes we need? We need 5 dominoes. Okay. So this single 2 by 2 tile we can put in one way, and these 5 dominoes we can put, now see here, 5 dominoes we can put in 8 ways. So total number of 8 ways. Now we will shift this 2 by 2 tile at second place. So first one domino of 2 by 1, then one tile of 2 by 2, and then how many dominoes we need here? We need only 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4 dominoes. So this one domino we can put in one way. This 2 by 2 tile we can put in one way. And these 4 dominoes we can put in 5 ways. So 5. Okay. Now we will again shift this at this place. So first 2 are dominoes. Then 2 by 2. And then here we need 3. 1, 2 and 3. So 2 dominoes we can put in 2 ways here. One tile we can put in 1. And these 3 dominoes we can put in 3 ways. So in this way 6. Now next situation will be same as this in reverse manner. By this side 3 dominoes and here 2 dominoes we will put. So number of ways will be 6. Next situation will be of this type. So 5 ways we will get. And again the last situation means this same situation in reverse order. So how many ways? 8 ways. So if we introduce this 2 by 2 one tile with some of these dominoes, then how many ways we get? 8 plus 5 plus 6 plus 6 plus 5 and plus 8. In this way 6 plus 5 13, 13 plus 6 19, 19 plus 19 38. So previously we have found 21 and now this 38. In this way 59 is our answer. Okay.